Honestly speaking, in this video, Francis, has never been employed formally, maybe in a corporate setting where I am put on a salary for every month where I'll get to receive some money from a company. So I don't know how it feels like to be fired. So in this video, I just want to know how it feels like. Let's just assume that you wake up one day, you get an email from your employer that you are no longer needed in the company and you have to resign, or you have to stop coming to work because they have fired you. Yes, that's what I mean. Yeah, I'm making this video because I do remember an encounter or an experience where, like I said, I fired my butcher. Yes, how he was behaving around the business and then the premises. I used to wonder because I don't have that kind of experience where I get to be fired from my work, right? Because when I told him that he's no more needed and he shouldn't show up again, this guy kept coming around, asking people to come and beg on his behalf. He even went as far as going to my parents to tell them that I have sacked him. So they should also try to convince me to bring him back. And truth be told, he did that. I think I have fired him more than 2 times before I finally decided not to listen to anybody at all. Right? Because the first one, he made such a mistake that was unpardonable. So I told him not to come to work. And he came around begging and then asking my mom to plead on his behalf. And through that, I have to just listen to him. My mom, just take him for the sake of my mom. But he came back, behaved himself for a couple of days, and started the same old pattern again, where he was even giving me bigger losses this time round, and even more problems this time round. So I had to fire him again. Understand? And then he went around also telling people. So it was like very funny to me how a grown up man like him, he got to a stage he was even explaining himself to kids, people as young as 13, 15 years. He was explaining himself to them, these kids who don't even know anything about business, who don't even know anything about money. And he was explaining himself to them why I fired him. And he didn't do any serious offense. I just fired him. And he didn't just understand. For him, he wished he could work again. So again, people who were very close to me also came in again, and I have to just allow this guy to work. Understand? So I think that on the third encounter was where I decided to say no, I'm not going to listen to anybody. And after firing him too, nobody will even notice it for about at least a month. So when I did that, he came around. People asked me, "Well, why is the guy not doing the butchering for you?" My only excuse was that he's busy with his own farming activities and he's also busy with his own personal life. So that's why I have to step in to cover up for him before he returns. So I kept lying this way for a couple of weeks. So others began to notice that no, the guy has been fired. You understand? But for me, at the time of making this video, nobody knows I have fired him. Yeah, because if I make it known, people come pleading on his behalf and he'll come back. I think this time he comes back, he's coming to just finish me. Because first, when you mess up, I accepted you came and messed up the big time. Now you want to come back for the third. That means he's come to finish me, put me down. Yeah, so I don't know how it feels, but this is my experience after firing the employee here, because he made himself such that it looks as if he was very indispensable. But I told him that I have a lot of replacements. Even as he was doing the job, people were coming to me to take a slot. Just that I have known him for a couple of days and I've at least have that kind of personal connection with him. And I just wanted him to help me, especially even if not for myself. He has worked on my family farms before. So having him as a butcher in my pork hub also is no big deal. That's why I decided to choose him to do that. But if he's taking it as an indispensable part of the business, I'll let him know that he's very replaceable. Even if nobody takes up the job, I myself, Francis here, I'm capable and I can do the butchering work myself. And this is the person that I was paying on a weekly basis. Yeah. At my hub, I don't pay the employees every month. I pay them weekly. But if you want to be paid every month, that one we put everything together and at the end of the month we take it. They want to be motivated every single day. So I make sure every week. We work 3 times in a week, which is Sunday, Wednesday, and then Friday. So these 3 days, they get to be paid. And the remaining days that we don't work, they can use and do their own personal things and resume on any operational day. So 3 times in a week, and they get to be paid every week. That is every Sunday after close of work, they get paid. But if maybe Sunday we are still struggling or we still have customers we are attending to, that will be postpone it to Monday early morning. They receive their wages for the week and they will continue again on Wednesday. That is how we do it here. So like I said, I have not had any corporate experience working under somebody where I am being told to do this, come here, do this, and then like a formal one, not private. For your contract work, I've done a lot of contract works where I was hired for a couple of weeks. But that one was paid every day. Yeah, it wasn't a month. Every day I showed up, I was paid. But to be on a permanent salary where I'll get to be paid every month, I never had that kind of experience. So I don't know how to fire a person looks like. So just let me know in the comment if you have ever experienced it, how you were able to overcome it, and how that experience felt for you, and just share so that in case somebody's watching this and the person has already been fired at home, will get some kind of encouragement from this particular comment, right? So just share it with me. But I have done my first firing for the first time at the Pog Hub. That is the Pigversity Pog Hub, PPH.